put some dope in the wagon. Pulled off, had it dragging.
DJ Pretty Boy, thank you. Bitches! Hood.
I put some dope in the wagon. Pulled off, had it dragging. Garments on me came from Paris. Point guard like a maverick. Came through that bitch on them Davids. Motor in it, make the back shift. Bitches calling, trying to catfish. Before you suck it, put on chopstick. I put some dope in the wagon. Pulled off, had it dragging. Garments on me came from Paris. Point guard like a maverick. Came through that bitch on them Davids. Motor in it, make the back shift. Bitches calling, trying to.
Hey, what up, YouTube? It's your boy Young Rich 419, back with another video. Dropping the Magnum off to the shop, man. I don't know if I posted the previous video or not of me trying to change this alternator, but it was no luck, man. No luck. Bolt is too stuck, so I'm gonna go ahead and drop it off at the shop right now. You got the battery right here, not the battery, tripping. The alternator right here. You know what I mean? And guess what I learned too, man? I learned my car had a secret menu. And look at this. Ain't this? You tell me I had this car since 2011. And I did not know I had a digital speedometer, battery voltage, miles per gallon performance, wherever this is, wherever that is, whatever that is, oil pressure, pedal position, compass raw, temperature on average, temperature raw, battery voltage, speedometer, RPM, engine temp. Man, you tell me all this goddamn motherfucker time I had this, and guess how I found out? Looking at some dude YouTube video. Man, anyway, man, I'm dropping this car off because I'm here already, man. And you see the voltage. This mug jumping all over the place. Hold on, let me see if I go back. It's going down to 13, 14. It's just all over the place, man. That's where that flickering coming from, man. We here, about to drop it off. And it is what it is, man. So, cut you back on when I come pick it up. Hopefully there ain't nothing else going on. What's up, YouTube? We back. Got the Magnum back. Yeah, got the Magnum back. Damn, see, got little dirt specks on here though. Little dirt specks. About to go wash it though. So, yeah, got the Magnum back, man. Got it back. With the alternator on. Finally holding volts, man. Yeah. Yeah, finally holding volts, man. Pretty sure that was, like I said, the original alternator on this mug, man. I'm pretty sure, man. Cause I ain't never changed it since I had this car since 2011, man. So down here, yes sir, new alternator, you feel me? A1. Running smooth. Flaked up. Yeah, man, I'm extremely happy, man. But yeah, but let's go back and talk about this goddamn let's talk about this what's this called again? I can't think of the name of it right now. This menus, man. Let's go back and take a look at this menu, man. I did not know my car had this menu on here, man. This is crazy, man. Did not know that, man, at all, man. Did not know it had all this. Hold on, let me get the glare out. There we go. Did not know it had all that. See, I don't even know what that means. I gotta go look all this stuff up, man. Did not know. Gotta go look all this stuff up, man. See, I don't know what that is. You know what I mean? But yeah, man. holding voltage, man. It's holding volts, man, like it's supposed to. So I'm extremely happy, man. Extremely happy, man. And I like how it also shows the what gear I'm in, you know what I'm saying? So like I said, I'm extremely happy, man. But like I said, it's holding volts. Holding at 14, ain't going down to 13, none of that, man. So I'm happy, man. And I should be done flickering. All these lights should be done flickering, man. And getting dim and out. It should be cool. And the one thing I hate the most when they disconnect the battery, fog light switch, bro. You acting retarded. Act like you don't want to come. But yeah, I'm about to go wash it. You know, it's definitely dusty. Still trying to plug this in, but I might go ahead and show that on camera. Show me cleaning this mug, rinse it off at least, and I go home and just, you know, wipe it down. What's up, YouTube? We back, you know what I mean? Hey, I ain't gonna show y'all the car wash. The car already clean, man, you know what I'm saying? Let y'all check it out right now. Yeah, man. Cleaned it up, didn't go to the car wash, but that mug ready. That mug ready. That mug clean. That mug ready to hit these streets. You know what I'm saying? That mug ready. Damn, look at that flip. Woo, shit. Look at that flip. Man, yeah, you see that, man. Yeah, we got it cleaned up. You know what I'm saying? But I hop in traffic. And it's good to go. You feel me? You feel me? We good to go. It's your boy Young Rich, man. 419, man. Look at that hit. Look at that hit. They ain't ready, man. They ain't ready, man. But yeah, let me show y'all the other alternator. You know what I mean? In this bag right quick. This bag at, you know what I mean, the old one. Here you go. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's the original alternator on this car, man, from the factory, man. See if they got like a date on here or something. Pretty sure they got like a date on here. Most of y'all parts got some type of date on it. But maybe not, maybe so. Who knows? Made in Japan. Anyway, got the alternator done. Like I said, I didn't know. Got a cool ticket on it, you know what I'm saying? Real cool ticket. Super cool ticket. So had to go cop the alternator, man, you know what I mean? I was gonna get an upgraded one, but for real, I ain't really pushing no real music like that, man. Just 112, you know what I'm saying? Knocking the back trunk off a little bit, you know what I'm saying? But besides that, it is what it is, though. But you know what I'm saying? We back in full effect. No more light twitching, no more none of that, you know what I mean? We good. So once again, Young Rich 419. Good look for checking out my vids, man. Check them out, check out my other vids. Yeah, check them out too, man. They banging, man. Check them out, man. It's gonna be some stuff in there you might want to see, man. All right, it's your boy Young. I'm out.
What's he doing over there?
He's working on the links to the back of the vessel.
Well, I want that gold. I want that solid gold.
It wasn't part of the original plan, did it?
I don't care what the original plan was. I'm paying for this, Betteridge, and I say I want gold there. Look, you had your price to take on this endeavor, and everybody knows that when $1 million man wants something, he gets it the way he wants it. I always get what I want.
Yeah, what I want, nigga, I'm gon' get it. What I want, nigga, I'm gon' get it. Yeah, sacrifice till I get that win.